So this is my Irish mash that I'm going to boil, and I have washed away some of the foreign matter from it, some of the seaweed and salt. So I'm gonna put it to soak up some more of the salt, cause it come from the sea and it have a lot of salt on it. And I'm gonna soak up some of the salt. So now I'm gonna put it to soak in some water. But I'll put it to soak overnight as I've swelling so much. Okay, so I'm going to give it a next rinse, and then I put it to boil into my pot. Okay. And now I'm gonna add all this stuff to my pot. So I'm gonna prepare to boil my Irish mash. And this is my isinglass that I'm gonna add to my pot. This is my cinnamon stick that I'm gonna add to my pot. And my isinglass. Don't want to use a lot. This. And this is my gomara bit. I'm going to also add to the pot. And this is some linseed. This is some linseed that I'm going to add to the pot. Now I'm going to also add my Irish mash to the pot. I'm not going to boil it into a lot of water because I want a thick gel from it. Thick and rich gel from it. So I'm not going to boil it into a lot of water. Okay. I'm going to turn on the fire. And then I'm gonna cover my pot until when it started to boil up. Then I take off the cover because it will boil over. Okay? The Irish mash is rolling, boiling, and it melts out and it is so thick. It's so thick. And this is finished boil. Even though it don't boil out everything, but I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to mix my punch. So first, I'm going to add in a cup of oats. Next, I'm going to add in some peanuts. And then some nutmeg. Next, some cinnamon powder. A tip of salt. Some vanilla. And I'm gonna add some Evoparated milk. I'm also going to add some rum cream. Give it a nice flavor. And next, I'm going to add some sweet milk. blend this.